Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an aesthetic lock screen or wallpaper. So I like to create my own wallpapers or lock screens for my devices. So as you see here, I have the laptop screen one, iPad screen, and the iPhone screen. And of course, to get these images, you just have to log on to Pinterest. So I'll open Pinterest real quick. And then from here, you just want to find images that you'd like to add to it. Let's see, I think I started something. I know I usually start something. So here. So once you get onto Pinterest, you just want to download images that you like. You just have to click into them and then click this little three dots up here and then download image. And then I'm going to save them to my desktop so I know where they are. And I'm just gonna go through here and quickly do that. And then sometimes I like to do a specific color aesthetic. So with the screensavers that I did in the past, like if I go in here to my laptop, if you've seen this before, I had a green aesthetic here, and then this one is more neutrals. You got pinks and browns in there. And then if I go into the iPad one, I think that one has more screensavers that I'll show what I've made in the past. So this here, this is the green one. And then we go down to the pink, brown, and green one. And this is most recent for my iPad customization video that I should probably update sometime soon. And then this is what is on my screen now. So I have this one on my iPad screen. Currently, my lock screen looks like this. It's just the basic Apple thing that came out with the Macs. And then on my phone, I have this one. So usually I'll go back and I'll start with my laptop. I've been waiting to make one of these because I just love doing this process. What I do is you want to upload the image, and all of the stuff that I'm doing right now you can still do with a free account. You don't have to pay for this to be able to do this. So basically you can take this process and use it for a screensaver, or if you want to call it a mood board. To me, they're typically like interchangeable because I like to add things that I want to see myself achieve in the future. So now I'm just going to go in and add the images that I want to. Let's see. I'll go with this one. So I think this time I've decided to make this quote like the focal point. Okay, so since I said this quote is the main focal point of this wallpaper, I just made sure to click position. I hit to front so that it was the focal thing. It's on top of all the images in the back. And then as you saw, I rotated this one as well as this one, both 90 degrees. And then once I did that, I just decided to make sure that it was centered and as many of the images are taking up as much as the white space as possible. I personally like when there's no white space showing. I like to have the images as close together and sometimes overlapping. And then sometimes you can see the shape is still there, or over here the shape is cut off because of the quote here. So basically it's just based on personal preference. If you want yours to look like this one, similar to mine, or if you want yours to look a little different. I just wanted to show you guys the process of how you can make your own. So that now that we have created this one for the laptop, I'm just going to go back to my home of Canva, and then I'm going to open up iPad as well as iPhone. So the correct screen size according to Google for my iPad now is 1640 by 2360. To figure that out, all you have to do is search whatever device you have, screen size, wallpaper, and then you'll find it. Because that's exactly what I did. Anyway, we're going to create a new page. So here, like I said earlier, I like to make them not the exact same. Sometimes I do the exact same and just add a few more things into it, but I'll bring over common items from them. So we're gonna go back to laptop screen, Control C, and then paste it over here for the iPad, and then recenter it how I want. So this will also be the focal point here. And then I might make them different for my iPad, or I could do them in a different order like I said before. So I'm just gonna go through and do that. For the iPad, I did the same thing. This is the main focal point, and then I just decided to make the 4 images on the corners like different. At first I was going to do like green, green, and then black and white, black and white. But then I just decided to make it this way so it's kind of cohesive, but you know, also stands out in each one of its own. So now that the iPad screen is done, all we have to do is move over to the last one, which is the iPhone screen. So here we have the one for the laptop, and then we have the one for the iPad, and then the one for the phone. I really like these final products, and I'm just gonna download them. I make sure mine is set to PNG for the highest quality. And then we just want the page 3. So then you go into pages, click page 3, done, download, and then it'll download onto my desktop. Just going to set the desktop picture and hope that it looks good. Okay. Anyways guys, if you really like this video and found anything helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Other than that, I'm just gonna go airdrop this to my phone now so that all of my devices look gorgeous, and I'll see you guys next Friday. See ya! Okay, now I have to awkwardly like get out of my chair to go over to my phone to stop.